I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Callapp. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so then you just go above this sign, click on it here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on color ID, you just click on it. So then you come to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just come here to set color up as your calling app. Just click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone. Then it's going to take us to this list, and you click here on phone app. So then you come here to Callapp, just click on it here. So then automatically here it's going to disable with us on your Callapp. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.